किसने बनाया है एफिडेविट?
Lord, before my Lord answering the query, my Lord, may kindly see my prayer in my application. Lord,
बाद में देखेंगे, पहले हमारी बात का तो उत्तर दे दीजिए।
सर मैं दे दूंगा सर एक बार हमारी
किसने बनाया है एफिडेविट? और नहीं, अगर आप टेक्निकलिटीज में जाना चाहते
नहीं
हैं
सर, मेरी प्रेयर वो नहीं है ना सर, मेरी
नहीं
prayer-
नहीं, आपका आर्गुमेंट ये था that this court has no jurisdiction
नहीं, मैं
ask for an
jurisdiction
affidavit।
question नहीं करता।
नहीं, आपने किया था। अब आप मुझे बता दीजिए वो एफिडेविट किस वकील साहब ने बनाया और उन्होंने ये बात क्यों नहीं उठाई थी उस वक्त?
नहीं सर, अब ये तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ लॉ है।
नहीं, अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ लॉ नहीं है, तो यही तो हम उस मैटर को बार काउंसिल में रेफर करा देंगे उस वकील साहब के खिलाफ कि भाई उनको अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ लॉ नहीं है। कलेक्टर,
मेरा थोड़ा सा निवेदन है सर, थोड़ा सा मेरे को थोड़ा सा 2 मिनट सुन लीजिए सर, मेरा निवेदन।
if you will brush on the wrong side, you will get the same response which I am giving you right now.
Lord, I am always assisting a lot. So Lord, Lord, may kindly
You made very categorical statement
Lord, I made-
that affidavit cannot be sought on legal aspect.
Lord.
This is what you
Lord,
submitted.
he say Lord, that affidavit is not required to be filed on the question of law. Lord, Lord, may kindly see my prayer for a moment. My prayer may kindly be seen.
So ठीक है, I'll allow the petition, I'll quash the order.
Lord,
That's the end of the matter. Because now nothing on the question of law, it is to be decided, no affidavit is required. The question of law is that once the proceedings were not completed within the stipulated time when the Act of 2013 came into force, all the proceedings will be deemed to be lapsed. We'll say that either you return the land or initiate fresh proceedings. देखिएगा, petitioner has filed this petition. आपका submission भी लिख लेंगे that on the question of law, no affidavit can be sought.
No, Lord, my
लिखा देंगे.
name, Lord, I am only on my recalling application.
No, sorry.
Merits, my Lord, may decide the issue, my Lord, we have no.
I'll decide it on merits only. Has filed this petition. जब स्टेट रिसीविंग एंड पे होती है तो उसका रुख बहुत अलग होता है, जैसे हमने कल देखा कंटेम्प्ट पिटीशन में। और जब इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा था
सर मेरा
कि रुख और रंगत बहुत जल्दी बदलती है।
सर ऐसा नहीं है सर,
चलिएगा,
बिल्कुल नहीं है।
अवार्ड वाज पास्ड ऑन 21/5/2008 फॉर ए सम ऑफ रुपीज 1 करोड़ कितना है?
1 लाख 1 करोड़ 10 लाख
1 करोड़ 10 लाख 44,611 फुल स्टॉप। देयर आफ्टर कलेक्टर पास्ड एन ऑर्डर ऑन 21/3/2017 saying that ingredients of directing the university to submit interest from the date of award to the date of the order, that is 21/3/2017. Full stop. When this court wanted to know from the collector that under which provision of law this interest has been asked to be deposited and whether the proceedings will not stand lapsed in the teeth of provisions contained in section 24 of पूरा नाम लिख लीजिएगा of the Act of 2013, then it is submitted. Then after submitting an affidavit, comma, and when further query was put to the collector, comma, it is submitted by Shri Amit Seth, learned additional advocate general, that this court has no business to the explanation of the collector or affidavit of the collector on the legal aspect. Full stop. He has filed an application for recall of the order.
Lord, kindly see the prayer for a moment, Lord.
हाँ, दिखा रहे हैं, which is available on record as IA 5169/2025. Full stop. In the present case, the collector Riva has earlier filed her affidavit by documents number 2303/25, comma, wherein she has given all necessary facts pertaining to the controversy in question. Full stop. The decision taken earlier by the land acquisition officer, collectors, and the proceedings done in reference to above in the matter of acquisition in question has already been mentioned in detail. Detailed, full stop. In next paragraph 4, that the honorable court has now directed for filing of further affidavit of collector Riva, vetted by the honorable advocate general, full stop, that comma, it is respectfully submitted that comma, that since that comma since that दोबारा नहीं है, since the affidavits are normally being filed clarifying the position of facts, comma, in these circumstances, comma, it is respectfully submitted that this honorable court may kindly be pleased to recall its order dated 5/3/2025 to the extent wherein the honorable court has directed the collector Riva to file further affidavit duly vetted by the advocate general of the state in 10 days. Full stop, inverted commas closed. In this backdrop, prayer has been made that within inverted commas, it is therefore, comma, prayed that, comma, this honorable court may kindly be pleased to recall its order dated 5/3/2025 to the extent wherein the honorable court has directed the collector Riva to file further affidavit in the present matter duly vetted by the advocate general of the state in 10 days. Full stop. It is humbly prayed that, comma, after recalling the order, comma, liberty may be granted to some senior revenue officer of the state to file additional reply affidavit after appreciating the relevant facts law as involved in the present matter within a period of next further 2 weeks in the interest of justice. Full stop, inverted commas closed. Next paragraph. Before adverting to the contents of the affidavit, order dated 5/3/2025 in the aforesaid backdrop of facts where collector had passed an order asking the university to submit interest, comma, order dated 5/3/2025 was passed in which reads as under. इसको पूरा quote कर दीजिएगा मेरा 5 तारीख का order. Next paragraph. Query was that how collector was entitled to pass another award as mentioned in paragraph 10 of the affidavit on 21/3/2017 and where from she drew that authority. Full stop, inverted commas, close. Next one. In the understanding of this court, though not appreciated by the team of Advocate General, comma, it's a factual aspect that once award was passed on 21/5/2018, wherefrom the collector had the authority to pass another order directing the authorities of the university to pay interest from the date of award till the date of passing of the order, that is 21/3/2017. It amounted to tampering with the award, full stop. Thus, the collector was required to ask to file further affidavit duly vetted by the Advocate General because at that time it was not deemed proper to comment on the capacity of the counsel who had drafted the affidavit of the collector, which has been referred to in the order dated 5/3/2025. But today, when learned Additional Advocate General has shown the audacity to ask this court that this court cannot ask the collector or anybody else to file affidavit in regard to legal submissions, then this court asked Shri Amit Seth in the morning when this case was taken up to give the name of the counsel who had drafted the affidavit of the collector, full stop. Instead of giving name of the person, comma, tables are sought to be turned on the court, full stop. This practice of the Advocate General's office as depicted from the conduct of learned Additional Advocate General reflects sorry state of affairs, full stop. They show different colors at different point of time, full stop. It is evident that collector is also a revenue officer, full stop. Now coming back to the application IA 5169/25, comma, if there is a fundamental objection as to the query of this court, then the Advocate General's office should not have mentioned that they be granted liberty to, that after recalling the order dated 5/3/2025, they be granted liberty to file additional reply/affidavit of some senior revenue officer of the state, full stop. In my understanding and in the understanding of this court, both in my personal capacity and in official capacity, collector is the senior most revenue officer of the district, full stop. Thus, it is evident this application is nothing but a clever move to save the collector from giving affidavit and protect the office of the collector from its wrong which was committed by the collector on 21/3/2017 when, without understanding the provisions of law, affidavit directions were issued to the university, full stop. This prayer, as quoted above, clearly reveals the intention of the state that they are trying to protect the collector and wants to make some other revenue officer as an scapegoat to save the collector, full stop. This reflects shameful state of affairs in the
May I
state.
make a submission?
No, not amidst the dictation, sorry. Shameful state of affairs in the state of Madhya Pradesh, full stop. Now, should I request the Chief Secretary?
Lord, my lord, may kindly consider what I'm trying to say, my lord.
बताइए.
Lord, my submission is the lordships have directed the Advocate General to vet the affidavit of the collector.
You have not said that you don't want the vetting. इसमें ये नहीं लिखा है.
मैं यही कहना चाह रहा हूँ, एप्लीकेशन में यही लिखा है कि किसी ने लॉर्ड फैक्ट्स पे एफिडेविट 2008 का एक्विजिशन है, 17 में कौन से कलेक्टर ने ऑर्डर किया अभी
हमें उससे मतलब नहीं है. जिस कलेक्टर ने अभी एफिडेविट फाइल किया यह कहते हुए कि हमारा तो काम खत्म हो गया क्योंकि हम इंटरेस्ट जमा करने के लिए कह चुके हैं, उस एफिडेविट को वेट करने के लिए कहा था.
मेरा निवेदन सर ये है कि फैक्ट्स पर my lord, में काइंडली सी my lords are taking the matter to an altogether different angle, my lord.
Where you have mentioned that advocate, please.
प्रेयर ही हमारी ये है सर.
आप पढ़िए ना इसको, प्रेयर को दोबारा पढ़िए. इसमें कहाँ लिखा है कि एडवोकेट जनरल भी डिस्पेंस्ड विद ऑफ द वेटिंग ऑफ द एफिडेविट? कहाँ लिखा है आपने? पढ़िए.
Advocate General, my lord, my submission is, my lord, since it's an my lord's query raised by lordships is on the facts, my lord. 2000 personal knowledge Advocate General कहाँ से लाएंगे इसमें एफिडेविट देने?
वेटिंग की बात हो रही है.
Lord,
वेटिंग फैक्ट्स पे जो होती है वो कानून की होती है. एडवोकेट जनरल इज द फर्स्ट ऑफिसर.
Lord, then again, my lord, the question, my lord, may kindly see, my lord, the question will again arise, my lord, whether on, my lord, law, my lord, affidavit is warranted at all or not.
चलिए.
My lord, may kindly see,
Next-
if your lordships are
next
passing a detailed order, my lord, my judgments may also be considered. I am citing few judgments, my lord, and provision of law.
दे दीजिए.
My lord, first is the High Court rules, my lord,
जी,
which deals with the affidavits, my lord.
जी,
My lord, what the affidavit is required to contain, my lord, is there in paragraph number 4, my lord.
पढ़िएगा.
Every affidavit containing a statement of fact shall be drawn up in the first person and divided into paragraph numbers consecutively. Each paragraph as nearly as may be shall be confined to the district portion of the subject.
जी.
Every person or place referred to in the affidavit shall be fully described in such manner as to enable his or its identity to be clearly established. The affidavit shall contain no statement which is in the nature of expression of opinion or argument. So, my lord, we are only on this point, my lord, that the पुराना collector क्या करके गया, अभी का collector उसको कैसे अपना opinion affidavit पर देगा कि his predecessor has whether
मैंने आपसे यही तो सुबह पूछा था कि आपने ये बात अपने पहले एफिडेविट में क्यों नहीं लिखी. इसीलिए तो आपसे पूछा था किस वकील साहब ने बनाया था. आप चाहते हैं कि आप हर तरफ से जो है सेफ रहें.
मैं कुछ नहीं चाहता
तो
सर,
आप-
मेरा मेरा मेरा
मैं आपका कंटेंशन लिखूंगा.
मैं कोर्ट को असिस्ट कर
मैं
रहा हूँ
आपका कोर्ट कंटेंशन लिखूंगा.
सर
मैं लिखूंगा. चलिए नेक्स्ट जजमेंट बताइए क्या है जजमेंट.
वायलेट में काइंडली हियर मी पेशेंटली मिलोड,
हाँ.
ऐसा इसमें गुस्सा होने का कुछ भी नहीं है सर.
चलिए बताइए. नहीं आपने जो एलिगेशन लगाया इसलिए
मैंने
मैं
कोई एलिगेशन नहीं लगाया सर, मैंने कोई भी एलिगेशन.
चलिए अब जजमेंट में बताइए क्या लिखा है.
सर सीपीसी भी देख लें सर.
अभी आपने सीपीसी भी दे दीजिए. लाइए.
नहीं उसी में लगी है सर.
हाँ, कौन सा पेज पे लगी.
सर वो सेकंड फ्लैग जो लगा है.
सेकंड फ्लैग को जजमेंट लगा हुआ है.
नहीं.
अच्छा सीपीसी बताइए. यस.
लॉर्ड ऑर्डर 19 डील्स विद द एफिडेविट्स.
बताइए क्या लिखा है उसमें ऑर्डर 19.
ऑर्डर 19 का रूल 3 देखेंगे. मैटर्स टू व्हिच एफिडेविट शैल बी कन्फाइंड.
जी.
Affidavit shall be confined to such facts as the deponent is able of his own knowledge to prove, except on interlocutory application on which the statement of his beliefs may be admitted, provided that the grounds thereof are stated.
जी.
So, Lord, we are only on the point, my lord, your lordships have directed the advocate general to vet the affidavit of the collector, my lord. Now, collector has filed, once he has filed the affidavit, my lord, second affidavit, he is not competent to comment whether his predecessor has done right or wrong, my lord. That is
But the
the,
chief secretary is competent
That
to take action on the acts of the predecessor of the present
Lord,
collector.
that is a totally different matter, my lord. We are not on that point, my lord. We ourselves have stated in our application
चलिए.
कि किसी highest revenue officer से हम कर देंगे उसको.
हाँ तो हाईएस्ट से हम लिखा दे रहे हैं ना. लिखिएगा.
So, Lord, then this all what your lordships have dictated is not required.
No, it will also come.
My lord, may kindly see the
At this
judgment.
stage, look जाइए.
Judgment भी देख.
हाँ देख लिया. At this stage, Shri Seth has placed reliance on the Madhya Pradesh on High Court of Madhya Pradesh Rules 2008. Reading from Chapter 9, which deals with affidavits. Rule 4 is read, which is reproduced here and under. Full stop. Thereafter, reliance is placed on Order 19, Rule 1 CPC.
Rule 3.
Rule 3 CPC, which reads as under. ये मैंने मार्क कर दिया है. 3-1, 3-2 दोनों. 3-1, 3-2 क्या करना है?
3-3.
3 में दो clauses है.
One, my lord.
3-1 reads as under. Next fact. Thereafter, reliance is placed on the judgment of coordinate bench in Rajendra Singh Rawat versus State of MP and others, wherein it is mentioned that affidavit should contain only facts. It shall not contain any